Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a multiplied by a multiplied by a minus a multiplied by a is equals to 180, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here you see that these are the three same variable terms are multiplied by each other, and the exponent of all these three terms are 1. So we add its exponents and it will be written as a to the power of 3 minus. Similarly, this a multiplied by a becomes a square, and this is equals to 180. So you see that this equation will becomes cubic equation of a variable. So this means that this equation has 3 or less or equals to 3 roots. So we need to find all that 3 roots of this equation. So now we focus into the right hand side and we have a cubed minus a square equals to, this is 180, and we write it as 216 minus 36. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as a cubed minus a square equals to, this is 216, and we write it as 6 cubed minus, this is 36, we write it as 6 square. And now we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side and we obtain a cubed minus a square. This is positive 6 cubed becomes here negative 6 cubed. This is negative 6 square becomes positive 6 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now we make the pair of cubic term with cubic term and square term with square term. So first we write the cubic terms. These are a cubed minus 6 cubed, and from these two square terms we will be take common negative sign from here, and we get the remaining values are a square minus 6 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step we need more simplifications here, and now we use two nice formulas here. So here first we use the nice cubic formula. And you know about that, if we have x cubed minus y cubed equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. And second, we use the nice square formula. You know that if we have x square minus y square equals to x minus y times of x plus y. So we just use these two nice formulas here, and according to these two formulas we write the above equation as in this form. So this term is written as a minus 6 times of a square plus a times of 6 plus 6 square minus, here we use the second formula, so this will be written as a minus 6 times of a plus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you focus on both of these two terms, and we have a minus 6 be the common factor, so that we will be take common a minus 6 from here, and we get the remaining values are a minus 6 times, this is a square plus a times 6 becomes 6a plus this 6 square becomes 36, and from here we take common a minus 6 and we get the remaining values are minus times of a plus 6 becomes minus a minus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we need more little bit simplification here, and we get a minus 6 times of a square, this is 6a minus a becomes plus 5a, and this 36 minus 6 becomes plus 30, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a minus 6 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square plus 5a plus 30 is equals to 0. From here we move minus 6 to the right hand side and we get the value of a is equals to plus 6. And in the same pattern we need to solve this quadratic equation. So you see that this is the quadratic equation, and we have there are four methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is applying the quadratic formula, and the fourth method is graphical method. But here we use the quadratic formula to solve this problem. For this, we write the coefficients of the given equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 5, and c equals to 30. And we state the quadratic formula as a is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute all the values of a, b and c, and when we put all the values here, it will becomes a equals to minus b. The value of b is minus 5 plus minus square root of b square, it is 5 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 30, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and it will be written as a is equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of 5 square becomes 25 minus 4 times of 30 is equals to 120, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. So further we need more simplifications, and now we focus inside the square root sign, and we have a is equals to minus 5 plus minus, this is square root of 25 minus 120, this is equals to minus 95, and it is divided by 2. And now again you see that here we again break this square root sign, and we write this square root sign separately on negative sign and 95, and it will become square root of 95 into square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and we obtain a is equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of 95 into, this is square root of minus 1, and we know about that square root of minus 1 becomes iota, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have, there are three roots of the given equation, in which uh, the first root is the real root, and it is a1 equals to 6. This is the first real root of the given equation, and from here we have a2 is equals to minus 5 plus square root of 95 iota, and it is divided by 2. This is the second root of the given equation, and a3 is equals to minus 5 minus square root of 95 iota, and it is divided by 2. This is the third root of the given equation. And finally we have, these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.